Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to see friend requests on Battle.net. So are you wondering how to check pending friend requests on Battle.net when you're playing a game? Okay, don't worry, I'm just going to walk you through how to do that. So first, you need to launch the official Battle.net desktop launcher on your PC or Mac. This feature isn't available on mobile or web. I'm currently using the web app, that's why this feature would not be available here, but I'm going to show you what to do once you click on download Battle.net and you get the desktop app itself. So I'd like you to note that sent and received requests can only be managed in the desktop app, which I have said. Now, once you launch the Battle.net desktop app, click the friends icon. It's a silhouette person. You'll find it's near the top right under your avatar. Now, this pulls open your full friends panel. Okay, so inside the panel, look just below your battle tag or search bar for a cogwheel icon. Now, this is your friend settings. Click it and a menu will appear with options like settings, view sent friend requests, and notifications. In that settings menu, go ahead and click view sent friend requests to see all outgoing invites awaiting acceptance. Incoming friend requests display directly inside your main friends panel, so look for a highlighted banner or request card at the top. If there's a pending invite, you have to accept or decline, so you find the accept or decline buttons visible. To accept, click the check mark on a request. To decline, click the X or press decline. Accepted friends are instantly added to your list, while declined ones simply disappear. Now, this entire functionality is exclusive to the desktop version. You won't find it on mobile or web. And maximum of 600 friends plus pending requests is what you have. If you're blocked from sending new invites, check your sent requests and cancel any old ones. If you're not seeing invitations, make sure neither of you has accidentally blocked the other, and the privacy settings allow new connections. And that's how you find and manage your friend requests in Battle.net. Simple, efficient, and only available on the desktop app. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.